Hi, my name is Rebecca Coyle, and I am a member of SUDSOL, and I'm here today to show you how to use the lovely centering ruler that SUDSOL members received at the convention this past July in honor of celebrating 15 years as your 24/7 upline. A centering ruler is a very nice tool, and before I kind of give you some examples, I just wanted to give you a tour, if you will, of your centering ruler. Down at the bottom here, you have a standard ruler that runs from 0 to 6 inches, and you would use that as you normally would use a ruler. And at the top here, this is the part of the ruler that is actually the centering portion. Instead of going from 0 to whatever increment, here we start at 0 in the middle and work our way out. And that's the part that allows us to be able to use the centering ruler, the ruler as a centering tool. So today I have a couple of projects I wanted to just simply show you to illustrate the usefulness of this centering ruler. And the first thing I'm going to do is place a row of brads, 3 brads in a row. And if you're like me, I've never had a tool to which I could easily do this, and I always kind of ended up with wonky brads. But with the centering ruler, it's very, very simple. So I'm going to take my centering ruler side and figure out where I want to place my brads. So let's say here I want my 0 point to be here, and then I'm going to go out to this point, and then the bottom, both increments at 1 away from the center point. I'm going to punch my holes. And then I'm going to set my brads. And you'll see that even quickly using the centering ruler, this was much easier and turns out much better than it would have if I had just eyeballed it. So this is a really nice way to do this for brads, for any other kind of embellishment you might need to place on your page. But you can see, like I said, even kind of eyeballing it, that turned out a lot better than if I had just done it myself. The second reason or way you can use a centering ruler is for scrapbooking and matting things. So this is a 6x6 scrapbook page, if you will, and I've got 2 mats that I want to apply to my scrapbook page, but I want them equidistant from the edge so that I have a nice straight looking page. So what you would do here is just, again, place your ruler across the paper. I'm going to try to get it straight. And let's say I want to place them so that they're at 1 away from the center and the other opposite 1 away from the center. And so let's go ahead and place that. Use my mono adhesive to quickly just stick it down. So again, on the right of the center by 1, and then I'm going to go to the left of the center by 1, and you'll see that what this allows me to do is that I have a nice area in the center, and then I've got a space here and a space on the left side that are equal distance from the edge, and it gives your page a nice symmetric look. So you could do that as well. Say you wanted to put a third photo down here, you would want to center that at the 0 point, and you would have a nice lined up page. So thanks for tuning into this video about the centering ruler, and thank you also for being a member of SUDSOL, your 24/7 upline.